Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of virtual reality or VR. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're in the right place. Let's break it down, shall we? So what exactly is virtual reality? In simple terms, VR is a computer-generated environment that lets you experience and interact with a 3D world that isn't real. To access this digital universe, you typically need a VR headset, which covers your eyes and sometimes your ears, immersing you into a whole new dimension. Think of it as stepping inside a video game or movie where you can look around and feel like you're really there. Now let's talk about the benefits of VR. First up, VR is revolutionizing the way we learn and train. Medical students can practice surgeries without the risk, pilots can simulate flights, and even astronauts train in virtual environments before heading to space. This makes learning safer, more efficient, and cost-effective. Next, VR is changing the entertainment industry. Gaming in VR is next level, offering a fully immersive experience that traditional gaming just can't match. But it's not just for gamers. Imagine watching a movie where you can look around and feel like you're part of the scene. Amazing, right? Another significant benefit is in mental health. VR therapy is becoming a powerful tool to treat conditions like PTSD, anxiety, and phobias. By creating controlled virtual environments, therapists can help patients confront and manage their fears in a safe space. Alright, let's move on to the types of VR. There are three main types: non-immersive, semi-immersive, and fully immersive. Non-immersive VR involves a computer or video game where you interact using a traditional screen, keyboard, or controller. It's the least immersive, but still offers a taste of virtual environments. Semi-immersive VR takes it up a notch. Think about flight simulators or training programs where you have a more engaging experience, but are still aware of the real world. And finally, fully immersive VR. This is where the magic happens. Using VR headsets, gloves, and sometimes even treadmills, you get a 360-degree experience that feels incredibly real. This type of VR is what most people think of when they hear virtual reality. So there you have it. Virtual reality is not just a futuristic concept, but a present-day marvel reshaping various industries and our everyday lives. Whether it's for education, entertainment, or mental health, VR is here to stay. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next one.